Welcome to Max Herb Talk. We're in Hollywood, California at the Cancer Control Society convention. Man, this is a great place to be. Their 44th annual convention. Standing here next to me is Samir. How you doing today, Samir?
Doing fine.
All right, great. Samir, why don't you give our audience a little background on yourself and tell us how you came about Oxyhealth.
Accidentally, believe it or not. 17 years ago, we started this project, and it's been a journey that is unbelievable. It's a MasterCard commercial. It's priceless.
Okay.
The benefits that patients have received are priceless. We've been doing this conference for 17 years. This was the very first conference we came to.
Wow.
17 years ago when we started the business.
Wow.
And it's amazing. I wasn't going to work this conference, but I just had to come. And as I walked through the hallways, everybody just walks up to us, and to me, it's been an amazing thing. We do a lot more than cancer. We deal with autism, with stroke, concussions. Over 500 NFL players use our chambers, pro players, NBA, baseball, you name it.
Okay, wow.
So we're all over the map in this thing.
All right, great, great. All right, well, I have a little limited knowledge on hyperbaric chambers. I know I tried some at past conventions. Correct me if I'm wrong, Samir. When you get in a hyperbaric chamber, has to do with the body healing on a cellular level, and is that like negative ions that help the body to restore itself?
It's a lot more simpler than that. Oxygen is a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It reduces inflammation. So with oncology, what the doctors are seeing is that raising the O2 level reduces inflammation. So let's suppose a patient is going through chemotherapy, radiation, whatever treatments they're doing. Those treatments are known to be, and especially in this conference, they're saying don't do that stuff. But you do need to pull out the cannons, which is what they're throwing at these patients. And those cannons are causing damage to the good cells as well. They're killing the cancer cells, but they're also damaging other good cells. So hyperbarics is generally used by the doctors to reduce the damage from the treatments they're getting.
Okay,
So,
when you talk about treatments, you're talking about the conventional, like chemotherapy and the radiation they're using.
And other drugs.
And other drugs. So when a person's going through the conventional treatments of cancer, by being in a hyperbaric chamber, the oxygen is going to help to possibly reduce or restore or turn around some of the damage that the conventional methods have caused the cancer patient.
That is what the doctors are saying. Hyperbarics will not cure cancer. There's no study that says it cures cancer.
Okay.
Reduces the damage that whatever cancer has caused, right? So that's how it comes about.
Great, all right, great. Is there anything that you'd like to add before we close out, Samir?
You're welcome to go to our website. It's www.oxyhealth.com, oxyhealth.com. There are many physicians we can refer you to that deal with cancer. Like I said, we've been doing this for 17 years. This particular conference, amongst other oncology conferences. So we've got a lot of specialists that know what they're doing and have had experience that have also published. If you give us a call, we'll give you a list of doctors you can talk to. If you're a patient, or even if you're a physician, you can consult with another physician. And I encourage you to go to the website. And there's another organization, the International Hyperbaric Association, which is IHAUSA.org. Again, that's IHAUSA.org. They put on biannual conferences where they bring in physician specialists to present data that is published. Our philosophy is everything we talk about is published in a peer-reviewed journal. So it's not just hocus pocus, that my idea. What I've said, all I said today at this viewing is published. You can find it on PubMed.
That's good, and all of our viewers and listeners know at Max Herb Talk, we like information that's a lot more credible. We look for information to give our viewers and listeners credible information. So being published, we know that's a lot more credible than something that's just floating out there on the internet. Well, thanks a lot, Samir. Did you have a phone number you wanted to share with them?
Sure. Our company phone number is 877-789-0123. And again, the website is .com. oxyhealth.com.
All right.
You'll get any information you want from that website, and our reps are readily available. Please come call us.
All right.
I will say that this particular chamber is a special chamber that was introduced on the 4th of July, where we treat any veteran, police officer, fireman, any person of service gets free treatments. We will send a chamber to their home for a month if needed. And that's why you see the flag on the chamber. And that's going to be toward the end of the year. Until the end of this year.
Let me see if I understand you right, Samir. You said any veteran out there that is a veteran will get your OxyHealth treatment for how long?
Until the end of the year.
Okay, and that session, will they get one session or?
They put it in their home and they treat every day.
You mean you'll bring the unit to their home?
We ship it to their home.
Okay.
Police officers, firemen, veterans, or active military.
And what is the cost for them?
A round number called 0.
Okay. So you're even shipping it to them for nothing?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
that's our gift
Samir,
to the servicemen.
He's talking to a veteran right here.
There you go.
I think I'm gonna have to be the first one to try this out so I can share with other
You'll
veterans.
be the 40th one. We've got 40 out there already, and we announced this on 4th of July.
All right. That's good information. Well, that's all we have today, folks. You've been listening to Max Herb Talk